Alright, new project in the house. Here's a Schrade lockback folder. Has potential still, even though the tip is broken. So I plan on reviving this thing, bringing her back to its glory days with a modification on that tip. So I'm thinking I'm going to swipe it down like this. Like so, and give her a nice edge, polish her all up. Get rid of that rust inside there. There is some right there, back of the ricasso, and get her going. So if you like that kind of thing, stick with me. Let's go in the shop and do this. Beautiful day we're having. Yeah. Alright, here we go. I'm thinking on this one, I'm not going to just drop it like that. It's going to be eliminating a lot of material. So what I'm thinking, I'm just going to bring it up a little bit here. Okay, and then here, just a nice little sweep. I think that is a better choice. What do you think? Well, let's start grinding. So rust. I like using old, used up 1800 grit. I think it's 1800 grit or 15. I forget. Sandpaper. And I'll get into where I'm able to get into the crevices. But what I like to use, a lot of people ask me, is WD-40. It's not much rust. It doesn't need to be dunked into a bath of acid or some kind of chemical. So what I'll do is spray with some WD-40, grab that sandpaper, and just start attacking that rust. And if you can see, this rust is already gone. It was that light on the rust. See that? And I'll wipe it. Basically no rust there. Here's the other side. You can see that rust there, right? Onto that ricasso area. So I'll keep it up here and sand it like so, in that little crevice there. I'll wipe it, and as you can see, it's nearly gone. I just have to get in there a little more. So fold it over, get a nice little seam here going on here, and that's it. There we go. Do the rest of the blade, and you're good to go. Let me continue attacking this thing. Now I'm going to do the insides. And of course, this is not going to be 100%, because the best way to do something like this is taking out the pins, taking out the scales, taking out the blade completely out, cleaning everything, lubricating everything, blowing it out, etc., oiling, putting it back together, and on, including the back lock. But since this is not a high-end knife, we don't need to do that. We do the best we can, and we're going to blow out with compressed air a lot of the stuff that's in there that we couldn't get into, and hopefully the chemicals that we're going to use is going to break it down a little bit, and it won't be as much in there, if that makes sense. The other side.